ang Moncado White Mansion sa Samal Island. Binuo ito noong 1940s at nagserve ito as headquarters ng Filipino Crusaders World Army o mas kilala bilang Moncadistas. At ang founder nito ay walang iba kundi si General Hilario Moncado himself. At ang lugar na to ay mahigit ilang dekada nang abandonado. Si General Moncado ay may ugaling nagpapakain ng hilaw na pagkain sa kanyang mga sundalo para madisiplina ang kanilang mental, physical at spiritual health. At dito sa lugar na to ay maraming misteryo at kwentong kababalaghan tulad ng sightings ng sundalo at White Lady, pagpaparinig ng kadenang kumakaluskos at putok ng barel, at istorya ng mga kultong nakapaligid dito na may kasabihan na kapag nakapunta ka sa lugar na to ay maaaring hindi ka na makaalis mag-isa. At ngayong gabi ay iikutin natin to, lilibutin at gagawa ng paranormal investigation para malaman kung ano nga ba talaga ang mga misteryo at kababalaghan dito sa Moncado's White Mansion. One of the oldest mansions na tinayo pa noong 1940s.
There's something not right here.
Yan yung sinasabi nila. Connected daw sa
There's a possibility that this might be the secret underground na sinasabi nila.
The energies levels have changed quite significantly. They are saying, don't go up there.
Hindi ako ayoko dyan. Kayo na lang. Na-feel ko lang yung mga sinasabi niya eh. Nandun ako sa taas eh. Oo, sa pangalan ng Jesus.
They're trying to exert their power over us, pushing me back, really making it difficult for me to make a single step. Let's hope we're not going into too much danger. This is someone we've not come across. Were there ever any dark arts, any rituals here? Itagalog maganda.
Sa atin. Paano ba yan?
Tama na.
Tama na. Wag, naglalating ka na. Wag, please.
It's a prayer sa mga cult na ginagamit. Pag hindi na control ni Aga yun, may tendency, masisiraan ng bait si Aga o mababaliw.
May kasama ba kami ngayon? Okay? Pwede ba namin makausap si General Moncado? Dito siya? Ang galing!
Wag na parang feeling nila hinahamon sila eh.
Pahinga ka muna.
Nagdadasal kami ngayong gabi.
Sino po kayo?
Kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung grupo namin, anong sinasamba namin,
Oh my God!
sumali kayo sa aming paksa.
Oh my God! Brother, no!
Habang nagsasalita ako, ang dami na nakapalibot sa akin. Tapos ano sila lahat.
You are not welcome. We have the power of God and the power of prayer.
Ngayon pala ay inuunahan ko na kayo na ito, isa sa pinakamalalang paranormal encounter namin sa lahat ng investigations namin. Nagsimula kaming maglibot sa kalaliman ng gabi. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa Moncado's White Mansion, one of the most famous at recognizable places dito sa Samal Island, known for its history and at the same time known sa mga kababalagan at horror stories na kumakalat sa iba't ibang social media. Ngayon guys, para makapunta dito, bibigyan ko lang kayo na heads up, ay kailangan namin lumipad papuntang Davao from QC at mag-ship from Davao hanggang dito sa Samal Island. Now dito sa Samal Island ay meron pa kaming travel time na magdadrive na around 30 to 40 minutes at pagdating namin, ito yung makikita nyo. One of the oldest mansions na tinayo pa noong 1940s. So mga 85 years na siya. At kung mapapansin nyo, from the outer na itsura niya, nire-renovate na siya pero yung pinakataas na floor ay yun pa rin as original as noong 1920s pa. Ngayon na ipaliwanag ko na sa inyo, ay simulan na natin libutin ang mansion na to. Dito sa labas pa lang ay may makikita kayong mga walls dito na I think ginamit sa war. Pag nagbabarilan, mas na doon yung wall, ganyan. Kasi this served as a headquarters, so malamang sa malamang ay may mga opposing forces na pumupunta trying to take over this island. Para mas magkaroon pa ng in-depth na understanding tungkol sa lugar na to at sa history niya, ay pasukin natin at mamaya gumawa tayo ng paranormal investigation. Pero nung papasok pa lang kami sa gate ng mansion, ay nagulat ako sa ginagawa ng aming psychic medium. Di mo si brother? Brother, what are you doing?
I don't know. I've been placed in this position.
At makalipas ang ilang sandali, ay ito ang sinabi niya.
It was a method of torture. They would have the prisoners having to hold this position.
Oh.
And the first prisoner to collapse, they would kill.
Oh my God.
He wouldn't be the only one.
Maliban doon ay nakaramdam din si Brother Ramon ng signs of torture.
I felt a stabbing pain when I was sat down here through the centre of my chest, but it wasn't a sword or a knife. It was like an ice pick, thin, sharp, and they use it to stab people, but it wouldn't them.
Oh, that's torture, brother. That's what you felt.
Walking in here, I had to hold on to Brother Agateb here.
Why?
Because my legs were like this. Now
It's becoming clearer.
I can see that they were dragging a prisoner here to his death.
Okay. At kasabay nun ay nakasense din si Brother Ramon ng signs ng military soldiers.
I see people marking out distances. What I mean by that is they would march out the distance from there to certain places. So they knew the distance so they could fire their weapons more effectively.
Yes, because outside, brother, there is like a wall for firing, but I don't know why is it there.
I was in the military for 10 years and I trained as a sniper.
Yeah.
What do you call that again?
A defensive wall, and it's located in an area so that you have control of everything beyond you. And you mark out distances. You knew when an enemy combatant was 100 steps away, 100 meters away. And that's when you would start shooting.
I think this would be a better episode because brother is also not just a psychic medium, he is also in the military. So I think you could relate to whatever the soldiers might be feeling or what happened here.
And I've already made contact with 2 local guerrillas, 2 fierce strong men whose faces were masked.
You think they can sense that you're also a soldier before?
They've heard us now. They can sense that, but they've heard us now talk about it.
So spirits, we're coming in. Tinuloy namin ang paglilibot at ang unang napansin namin ay ang statwa sa gitna nito. Okay guys, so ngayon may medyo nasa-sense na si Brother Ramon and may mga soldiers nga, mga spirits na soldiers here. Pero tutuloy na natin, first we're gonna explore. Dito sa gitna ay meron siyang monument na malaki which is, andyan yung pangalan General Hilario Moncado. Dito pinangalan tong buong mansion na to at ito yung mga history niya. Quoted from 1948 to 1949. Dito nakaukit ang values ni General Moncado at makikita kung gaano siya kahigpit sa pagdidisiplina niya sa mga nakapaligid sa kanya. Parang nasa-sense ko na si General Moncado is very disciplinarian at strict. I was saying that the general is very disciplinarian and strict because he even made his soldiers eat raw foods just to discipline their spiritual and mental physical health.
Okay.
At guys, kaalaman lang, lahat ng mga soldiers ni Moncado ay merong mahabang balbas tsaka mahabang buhok. I'm not sure kung tama yun o hindi, pero yun yung nabasa ko. May rumors din daw na dito sa mansion na to, merong secret underground na nagko-connect daw sa Samal Island to Davao City. Pero ang sabi kasi nila covered na raw, pero to make sure, check natin. Dun muna tayo sa baba ng floor. At nung magsisimula na kaming pumasok sa loob ng mansyon, ay biglang huminto yung pag-record ng camera namin. At nung binuksan namin ulit, ay ito ang nangyari. Brother, are you okay?
I'm just been pushed.
Where? Right now?
I've been pushed forwards, just on my right leg.
Whoa, why do you think is that?
You were kicking the football. The general didn't like that.
Oh, so you think the general is here?
Yeah.
Right now?
He didn't like that because it's not training. So I'm imagining, what I'm seeing is the soldiers, the guerrillas, just kicking something on the ground, the general seeing it and saying you should be training, not kicking.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, and the general is very strict. Kasi guys, biglang nag-cut yung video, kaya nagre-roll kami. Habang nag-cut yung video, may mga bola dyan, sinisipa-sipa namin. Kaya nag-connect nyo sa nangyari ngayon. So this is the underground. Dito ay sinimulan na namin libutin ang unang palapag ng mansyon. At ang napansin ko ay may mga writings. Bago yan, go. Feeling ko lately lang yan.
Oo, pero good pangalan ko, dami kong pangalan.
Marami kang kapangalan. May mga vandalism.
Pangalan ng aeromat ko, Leo.
O bakit may pangalan kayo ng nanay mo dyan? Pero wag yan, nag-overthink ka lang, wala yan. Wala yan. Mapapansin nyo dito sa pinakababang floor ay tinitipag na yung mga bato-bato kasi nire-renovate na nga. Kasi as I said, it's a tourist spot na at wala nang kulay. Hindi na siya yung katulad ng old na photos na nakikita natin na parang nung sinuunang panahon pa. Puro bato na at dito nga parang may bagong lagay na, hindi naman super bago pero medyo kinakalawang na. Feeling ko hindi ganito pa yung structure nung before, nung 1940s nung tinayo to. May signs ng renovation na talaga pero feeling ko i-renovate siya pero hindi natutuloy. Hinihinto. Kasi nangalawang na.
Parang matagal na siya.
At sa patuloy ng paglibot namin ay nakita namin ang sinasabing underground tunnel o secret tunnel ng mansyon.
Malaman na kung nasa yung underground. Sinasabi lang nila ha. Ito siya. Ayan, yung nasa gitna naman. Yan yung sinasabi nila. Connected daw sa ano.
Parang ito nga lang yung...
Nakunan lang daw.
Parang ito lang yung iba yung itsura, no? Compared mo yung mga walls dito. Parang siyang puro bato na lang. Possible guys na ito yung underground. Kasi napansin namin sa lahat ng dito sa floor na to, yung structure niya yung kakaiba. Puro bato. Parang tinapal-tapal niya para may takpan. At bakit may secret underground?
Connected nga daw dun sa...
Parang travel si General.
Dito
Pagtago din sila.
Oo. Sabi rin nila naging kuta raw to, pero hindi ko sure kung totoo hindi. At kahit na-renovate na yung iba, ay may nakita pa rin kaming original pieces ng Moncado Mansion. Oo nga, no? Iba yung itsura ng pako, no? Tinamagaw.
Oo, ano?
Di ba?
Ang laki ng pako.
Yung kahoy pa lang, solid yun. Masasabi mo.
No 1940 siguro to. Ito yung natira sa original pa. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng pakong ganito kalaki. At least may remains pa. Pero abangan nyo guys, dahil sa pinakataas na floor, wala pa silang nagagalaw. Kaso habang naglilibot kami, ay napansin ko na medyo uneasy na si Brother Ramon. Pero tanongin mo natin si Brother kasi kanina pa nakatayo si Brother sa gitna. Brother, why are you staying there?
There's something not right here. The energies levels have changed quite significantly. There's just something. Since you guys moved over to there, then I sensed a change in the atmosphere, and there's just something not right here. And as yet, I can't figure out, I can't sense or
Is it
feel
gonna be dangerous
what
for
it
us?
is. I have no idea. It's just not right. And what I've been doing is I've been building up my energy while you guys were doing whatever you were doing to try and keep us safe.
Thank you,
But there's
brother.
just something missing. Okay. There's something missing.
Di lang namin alam na maya-maya, ito ang isa sa pinakamalalang mararanasan namin sa investigations namin. I hope we get to speak to the General himself.
You've asked a question now, so he knows you want to speak to him.
I hope he's not a negative spirit.
He's a very strong, powerful man. He takes that into the spirit world with him, but he doesn't take the anger with him. But he's a very precise man. If he says he wants something doing, he wants it doing immediately. No questions asked. They just did what he said.
He's like the boss, powerful man.
Very much so.
Ang sunod na nilibot namin ay ang window side. At ang masasabi ko ay, what the heck? Para kang nasa Antipolo. The sea, the city lights, and everything
Very
else. Yes.
And it's a good defensive position here as well, because it's high up.
high.
Anyone coming to attack would have to come uphill. And if they're carrying equipment and guns,
Very firing.
it's much harder
Yeah.
coming up.
Our soldiers would already have the upper hand.
Yes.
Then from what they told me, the top most of this floor is the sniper area. I'm not sure.
And that would make sense. That would make absolute sense. On a military strategy viewpoint, that would
Yeah.
make complete sense.
You can see here, they put barbed wire here, but there is a pathway going through here.
Okay.
Here,
Okay,
there's
yeah,
there's
I
one
can see.
pathway. At ang huling napansin ko sa unang palapag ay from here kita na natin yung second floor. Ito yung second floor at ito yung third floor. Kita mo pa rin yung structure niya puro kahoy. Nothing has been renovated. It is as is nung 1940s. One amazing detail na napansin ko is dito sa second floor going to the third floor, may harang siya. Nabubukas sara siya. Para kung sakali sigurong merong mga invaders ay pwedeng maharangan agad. Hindi sila tuloy-tuloy sa paakyat. Galing.
I've just been pushed backwards quite strongly because they are saying don't go up there. This isn't the general. These are other guerrillas, the guys that worked
For the general.
For the general. They're saying don't go up there, which means that being paranormal investigators,
We must go up there.
we have to go up. Let's hope we're not going into too much danger.
So let's try to go up, brother. Alalahanin mabuti ang babala sa amin dahil dito, unti-unti nang magsisimula ang mga kababalaghan. Tinuloy namin ang paglilibot papunta sa pangalawang palapag. Dito naman sa labas, guys, ay ano na siya. Ito halatang hindi pang 1940s to, para na tong sa ano sa mga kapitbahay namin So bago-bago na siya, pati yung kulay hindi makaluma. At habang paakyat, ay tila ba may pumipigil sa akbang ni Brother Ramon.
They're pushing me back, really making it difficult for me to make a single step. Oh, jeez.
Why do you think that is, brother?
They're trying to exert their power over us, their strength.
Can
they
you
don't
go up?
want me to go up because I'm a medium and I might be able to bring more information forward.
They don't want that?
No, they don't.
The guerrillas? Why? It's good to
Because
share
they're
to the
very
world.
secretive. They had to be to survive.
Oh, so their mindset still is the day before they passed away.
Absolutely. Before they passed away, you're exactly right. I'm getting the feelings and sensations of what they were going through at that time. And they don't want me up there, which obviously again means that we'll go up there.
Yeah.
But they're making my legs really, really tired. This isn't the first time it's happened. It's happened many, many times before. And nearly always in locations where the military have been based.
So let's go up, brother.
Let's go up. Can someone hold this for me? Because it's...
Oh, it's very hard to go up.
Yeah.
At habang pinipilit ni Brother Ramon umakyat, ay mas pinapahirapan siya na tila bang parang ayaw kami paakyatin ng mga namamahay dito. Brother, are you okay?
Just some tightness. Take that off me. Take it off me. Take that away from me now.
Can you continue, brother?
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
okay if you can't.
No, it's my job. No spirit is going to defeat me.
Okay, brother, but you see, the next steps are way...
Very steep, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, brother, it's gonna be dangerous.
It's okay. I'll make it.
At dito ay biglang may nakita si Brother Ramon.
Just heard a woman there. Did we hear female voices earlier?
They're saying that there are sightings of a white lady here.
Oh, okay, okay. I can't say whether it was white. I just seen a lady here, just a face here.
Really? In front of us?
Yeah, in between.
Me and Agatep.
Yeah, just, and then she's gone.
Nakakakilabot dahil yung white lady ay isa sa mga urban legend ng storyang kumakalat sa Moncado Mansion. Pero abangan nyo mamaya dahil mas magiging malinaw kung bakit nangyari to. Tinuloy namin ang pag-akyat sa hagdanan. Pero habang tumatagal ay mas nahihirapan si brother at para bang nawawalan ng hininga. Hanggang sa may nasense si Brother Ramon na nagpakilabot sa aming lahat.
They used to bring people up here to torture. They'd be dragged up these stairs and they torture them right at the top so that everybody could see. So it'd be in full view of all the people around the soldiers. At the moment, the only combatants I'm seeing are the warriors. I'm not seeing anything else. Okay.
At dito ay nakakagulat ang susunod na sasabihin ni Brother Ramon. Pakinggan mabuti.
They brought the woman I just saw there now. They brought her up here.
What happened, brother?
It's not a nice picture I am seeing.
Oh my God.
But she is the white lady. I can see her.
Bakit?
Ayoko dyan. Kayo na lang.
Bakit ayaw mo?
Sabi
She's
niya nag-feel ko din.
Yung babae? O yung...
Wala pa na kami nga.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Ba't tayo nagpapatalo sa ganun?
Hindi tayo magpapatalo. Basta na-feel ko lang yung mga sinasabi niya eh. Nandun ako sa taas.
Labanan mo lang din.
Oo, sa pangalan ni Jesus.
and she was actually in the end hung because I can feel my neck stretching.
Oh my God, brother. Who is this girl and why was she?
I don't know yet. Maybe when we do the seances,
We can get some answers.
maybe we'll get some answers there. Shall we continue?
Can
I
you?
feel a little better now.
Okay.
I think because I've managed to offload that information.
Are you sure, brother?
Yeah.
At pagkaakyat ni Brother Ramon sa pangatlong palapag, ay tila ba mas nakakabahala ang mga nasense niya.
Oh God.
Brother! Wait. Brother! Brother, if you can't, we can go down.
No, I'm just seeing. As I came up here on my knees,
Yeah.
that was how she got to the top of the stairs on her knees. She was dragged up here,
Oh my God.
and she finished her journey up here on her knees exactly like this.
Oh,
And she was taken in here.
who did that? That's.
And earlier on, I was in a push-up position. So the position where I was down in the press-up position, the push-up position, it was the white lady, and she just shown herself walking up here, and she just put me in the position she was in before she was hung.
So there really is a white lady here.
I can see her. I'm trying to clear my head. I can see the lady here hanging, and then I looked over towards you,
Yeah.
and your face changed.
Change in what
And
way?
your face became white.
My face?
Your face changed. Straight away, there was immediate thought was you looked like the white lady.
Why me?
I don't know. It might have been the way, the angle of your face, but I saw her here, and she's around us. She's with us.
Maybe she passed through me?
Potentially, yes.
Okay.
I think you're right. I think she moved through you. So we've seen her, and she was next to you on the stairs. So she was close to you.
But now it's gone.
It's gone now. She's gone.
That's interesting.
And now I feel so much better that I've been able to say that. And I think that's what she wanted to be known. She wanted the story to be told, because now I feel okay.
Maybe because she has something she wants to say to the world.
Burden.
Burden, she has a burden.
Yes, that's right. She's offloaded the burden
Yeah.
through me, through you guys, and now I feel fine. And now, instead of being tearful, which I was earlier, I'm just happy.
That's amazing, brother.
I'm happy for her.
We're happy for you, Spirit. We will let your story be known.
Whew.
I just want to know who this lady is. Is she still around right now?
She's not here with us now, but she's around the building. She's moving around.
She's happier.
Yeah, and she can join us whenever she wants. And hopefully, when we work with the Ouija board and the human pendulum, we might be able to get more information.
Yes, brother. I would like that. So, guys, nadaanan na natin kanina yung second floor habang nagsistairs tayo. Pero nakasara siya. Makikita nyo meron ditong mga kahoy. You cannot go inside. It's like sealed. And the third floor, the raw part here, is all sealed.
Yeah.
Butas na yung second floor. Totally wala na siya. Wala nang laman. Hindi unlike nung first floor na puro bato. Yung second floor wala na. At hindi nagtagal nung natapos dun sa White Lady, ay biglang may nagpasama ulit ng pakiramdam ni Brother Ramon. At ito ay tila bang mas malala sa una.
Having said I feel so much better, I've now got chest pain right in the center of my chest.
Immediately,
Yeah. As soon as I said that, then the spirit introduced himself again.
whose spirit is that?
This is someone we've not come across. And were there ever any dark arts, any rituals here?
Were there rituals? Dark arts?
Parang ano lang yun eh, may chinichismis yung iba na yung samahan daw nila is kulto. Pero wala naman din napatunayan o any evidence regarding that.
Oh, so what he's saying is that there are stories, but no evidence
No.
that there was a cult. It's not
And
proven.
that's the way it is all over the world in my experience, and I've been to many different countries, and we have the same message. There's nobody will admit to doing it. It's all stories. Now, if the same stories are being told all over the world, all the time,
Might
then there
be
has
true.
to be some truth in them.
Might be, might not be. I'm not sure though.
But that's the sense I'm getting here as well.
Okay,
And that's what I
dark
said.
arts. Anyway, brother, basically, we can't explore anything more because it's sealed. Can we go up here? I think it's dangerous. No, we can't. It's impossible. Permanently closed, brother. At finally, yung view sa labas, pinakataas na floor ay napakaganda. Mas maganda dito. Kasi kanina, window lang. Oh. Look at that. Dito ay in-appreciate muna namin ang ganda ng view sa lugar na to. Right? Relaxing, right, brother?
Just such a lovely view. You know, sometimes it's worth making an effort to come to these extreme, difficult places, especially if you can be gifted
With
with
this
a view like this.
You know what's crazy, brother? Because before, this was served as a headquarters. So people here are always alert because enemies might be lurking around. But now, it's the complete opposite. We go here like just to enjoy the view.
Yeah, it is incredible.
But there are many stories that this is haunted. Like people coming here saying many
Well, I
stuff.
think we've already proved that it's haunted.
Yeah. Now-
We've got the psychic proof. Maybe now we can prove some physical proof
For the viewers.
For the viewers.
Yeah. So ngayon guys, tapos na tayo mag-explore. Oras na para sa paranormal investigation. Sa mga oras na to ay wala pa akong kaalam-alam na maya-maya ay may mangyayari sa akin na never kong in-expect na mararanasan. Dito ay sinetap ko ang aking ghost equipments at di ko namalayan na nag-activate na agad ang REM pad namin. Sensitive niya ngayon ah.
Hindi naman dapat yung nasa gilid.
Oo nga no.
Hindi yan
Gagi, nagtitrigger na pala to kanina. Ewan ko kung nakuha o hindi guys, pero nagtitrigger na agad yung REM pad namin sa harap. Makalipas ang ilang segundo, ay nag-activate na rin ang music box. Okay guys, so kaka-set up ko pala ng equipments ngayon. This one activated and the music box activated already. We're just finished setting up. We're about to put the cameras now on the music box, but
Just activated music box.
again, I don't know if kita sa camera pero
Keep working it, Spirit.
yeah.
Keep activating it for us.
First, I'm gonna do what I do for the investigations, the equipments. So I invite any spirit here in this place to please come forward and talk to us. We have here the music box, the REM pod, the EMF, the ghost balls. Kung gusto niyo magparamdam, galawin niyo lang kahit ano to, tapos magti-trigger siya. I said that if you want to make yourselves known, just trigger any of the device. You already triggered the music box and the REM pod, so that means something or someone is here with us right now. Now I will turn on the ghost box to see if we can get some interactions. Ghost? Wait, may kasama ba kami ngayon? Is there someone with us right now? Stretch mo. Oh, Jobs, kailangan natin translator kung sakaling may Bisaya. Ayun, there's someone talking.
Galit mo siya?
Ganun talaga. At hindi nagtagal, ay sunod-sunod na ang sagot sa amin. Are you the white lady who's screaming?
Hindi. Hindi nga.
Never.
It's not.
Hindi, no. No, never.
Ano yung singin talaga?
Sino yung kausap namin ngayon?
Wow.
Teste? Oh,
Sino ka ba? Galit. Bago seryoso.
it's a man's voice. Who are you?
Okay. Let's introduce ourselves.
Yeah, I'm Aga.
I'm Joshua.
I'm RJ.
I'm Ramon.
I'm Jobs.
Ano yun?
Maliit lang ako. Maliit akong tao.
Andito ba si General Moncado? Antay lang. Just wait.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Antay
wait.
lang. Oh, antay. Okay, we can wait. He said just wait.
Okay. Okay.
Pwede ba namin makausap si General Moncado? Opo. Is opo. Oh.
Sentro. Gitna. Nasa gitna tayo ngayon.
Oo.
Ha? Buntag? Maga?
Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Halo.
Umaga?
May mga timira dito siguro aga na may mga Tagalog dito.
Oo, halo-halo.
Sila, meron din eh.
More information please, we want to speak to. Gusto namin makausap si General Moncado.
Spanish yun.
Spanish. Okay.
What? Ano po yun? Sa unang subok namin ay may halong Tagalog, Bisaya, Espanyol at mga sundalong nagsasalita. Pero wala pang malinaw na mensahe kaming nakuha, kaya sinubukan ko ulit gamitin ang spirit box. Isa pa. Hi!
Hello?
Lapit ka pa dyan, para marinig mo. Ano po yun? Stop. It's like war, like fighting. Like
Okay. That
soldiers.
makes sense.
Yeah. Pwede na ba namin makausap si General? Kasi pinahintay niyo po kami kanina. Wag na.
May nag-ingon. May nagsabi.
May nagsabi na.
Unsay giingon ni General Samoa? Unsay yung ingon Samoa? Alam niya may sapi.
Ano yung sabi?
Unsa pa giingon ni General Samoa karon gabi? General naka dia General, istorya ni General. Hawa na mo diha. Ha?
Ay, ito na, paalis na tayo.
Ugma na yung sabi.
Ugma na, hawa.
Bukas na, alis na kayo dyan.
Oo, ugma na, hawa na mo diha. Ibig sabihin, umalis na kayo dyan. Bukas na lang, umalis na kayo dyan.
Gusto niyo bumalik kami bukas? Sikan.
Sikad, akyat din eh. Sikad.
Dito na tayo. Pumapadyak yung sikad sa atin.
Sikad, sikad.
Unsa may inguni mo sa mga General Moncado? Karong gabi una. Kinsay gipatay General, kinsay gipampatay dere. Daming tao. Ganan. Ano yun? Marami.
Ano ba tinanong mo?
Tinanong ko, ilan bang naman dito? Sabi niya, ang dami.
Sa Bisaya.
Ano yun? Isa mo sir? Tama.
Ang g***o, Bisaya!
Isa lang tanong lang.
Maligpit na lahat.
Likit na lahat. Pwede mabalaan kung unsa inyong gusto na iingon sa amuang? Oo, ni General Moncado.
Noong una ay hindi pa masyadong sumasagot ang spirit box, pero makalipas ang ilang minuto ay unti-unti nang lumilinaw ang mga sagot. Pakinggan mabuti.
Ikaw ni General Moncado?
Dito siya.
Ano yung sabihin?
Andito siya. Pwede ba namin makausap?
Ano dong pakay natin dito?
Ay, yun na yun. Sabi ngayon.
Anong pakay?
Sabihin mo, gusto lang namin makausap tungkol sa nangyari dito.
Gusto lang namo mabalaan kung unsay nahitabo rin balaya. Ano sabi? Anong gusto niyo mangyari?
Gagong galing.
Wag na parang feeling nila hinahamon sila eh.
Hindi na hinamon.
Hindi, ililipat natin sila sa light kasi.
What are they saying?
Ano yung sabi? Kanang gusto namin makipagstorya sa imo General. Maayo among pag-anhi dere, among pakay, among intensyon. Gusto lang namo kay pagstorya sa imo General.
Nalagi.
Yo,
Nalagi.
ayaw.
Ayaw lagi.
Ayaw, ayaw.
Ayaw.
Wait.
Ayaw nga.
Brother, it's very crazy because the radio is speaking Bisaya. Bisaya, no?
Oo, Cebuano.
Ang galing! I'm having
Yes, but we know, for the viewers, that spirits can speak any language.
Yeah,
And there's the evidence.
but they're speaking in Bisaya right
Yeah,
now.
there's
Their
the
native
evidence that they
language.
can do it, yeah.
But what's...
Ano yun?
What's that?
No.
Wait.
This one.
Diyan.
Ayaw lagi. Ibig sabihin na.
Frequency yung frequency.
Hindi nga. Ibig sabihin na hindi nga. Hindi nga. Parang gano'n.
Oh, so what we got is crazy because if you turn on the music box, like normal,
Walang signal pagka normal. Pero sino yung kausap natin kanina?
General na yun.
what's crazy is the radio speaking Bisaya, Tagalog, and different languages. Spanish pa nga, di ba?
Yeah.
So, wow.
Yeah.
What we got is at first he said wait, and then in the last part, ayaw na ata, no?
ayaw.
He don't want the general to speak to us.
Doesn't. He doesn't want them to.
Oh, you sense
No, you're
that?
saying, no, sorry, he does or doesn't.
At first he does.
He's not. They said wait, and then we waited, and then the
Okay.
last part
In Bisaya. Said-
General told him that he doesn't want.
and we need to
Okay.
leave. Like that.
Okay, so that's really interesting because the general's aide de camp, they call him, his assistant, personal assistant, obviously went to speak with the general. And the general's
That's why we
answer was no,
Yeah.
move them away.
There was even a question, why are we here?
Yes.
I think that's the general's
what's our,
question.
What's our
Yeah.
Motive.
motive?
Okay, so I think the next thing we should do is we can't do the human pendulum here because it's too dangerous. Because if the person's taken over, then it's going to be really difficult getting down the stairs. Same with the Ouija board.
Can we do
Oh, the ecstasy. Yeah, that'll be fine because that affects people as well. But we can do that. We're here, paranormal investigators. Let's do that.
But if we're going to do Estes, we need to that knows Bisaya. Like
Okay. And do we have anyone?
for example, he will answer and he will ask.
In Bisaya.
Yeah.
Again, I know that spirits have no language barrier, but I think they are comfortable with speaking their language.
Their own language.
That's why.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And that's showing them respect.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
why we
yes,
need to
that's
speak
correct,
with
yeah.
Bisaya also. Habang naghahanda kami gawin ng Estes method, ay unti-unti nang lumalala ang pagpaparamdam sa amin. Magsimula sa REM pad.
Kaya ka ano.
Oh!
Being
Thank you,
activated.
Spirit!
Do that again, please, Spirit. Communicate with us again.
Hanggang sa isang maaaring poltergeist activity.
Or move the cat balls. Feel free to move the cat balls. Kick them off the top.
What the fuck? Oh my god! Brother, it's our first, how would you call that? The dogs, or poltergeist. The phone
Oh,
instantly
it
fell
moved. It fell.
on its own.
Okay.
You just said that make yourselves known or something,
And yeah, I was communicating with them to activate some of the equipment.
And it
they
fell.
went a stage better and they moved over the mobile phone. Now, this doesn't shake. Us walking around doesn't make this shake.
Yeah.
There was no movements. You were stood next to it very still. Thank you also for not throwing it over the side.
yeah, because that is, oh, brother, it's answering.
Yeah.
Thank you, Spirit. Ano sasabi niya, ano?
Pagod na daw siya. Wala pa nga eh.
Relax ka lang.
Relax ka lang, relax ka lang.
Iba na ang pakiramdam sa mga oras na to, at dahil hindi na kaya ni Master Gala gawin ang Estes method, ay nag-decide ako na ako na lang ang gagawa. Guys, hindi ako nagbibisaya ah.
Can I borrow your...
Ako na. Sasabihin ko lang kung anong pinapasabi ni Spirit.
Tapos pwede rin kayo mag-switch.
Dito na ako para safe. Jobs, pag may nangyari sa akin kakaiba, buhatin mo ako agad ah. Pabala sa akin, nasa 3rd floor tayo.
Nagpapanik ka, relax ka lang.
Huwag ako panik.
Wala pa akong tinulak ka.
At dito ay sisimulan na namin ang Estes method. Jobs, ikaw bahala sa akin ah.
Rinig mo ako, rinig mo ako. Hindi ka rinig ako.
1, 2,
Hindi ako, bawal akong pupo.
buksan ko na. 1, 2, 3. Choy pa on nga. Hindi ako marunong magbisaya ah.
Sige, ako bahala, boss.
Lakas pa lakas.
Rinig mo ako? Rinig mo ako, rinig mo ako.
Lala kayo.
Hindi mo ako rinig.
Malamang.
Ay, okay, sorry po.
May gabi
Gusibi. Opo.
May gabi General, namin ting aga dere.
Can we move
a little further back?
Because if you get too close, people will think he can hear you.
Dili.
Ayaw.
Ay kaso.
Ayaw gusto ko. Huwag kang magalit.
Oo. Gabi. Unahan ko na kayo na nakakabahala ang mga susunod na makikita nyo. Panoorin mabuti.
Yeah, may gabi General. Kung sa inyong pwede
Pag-
maingon sa mua. General.
Pers.
Cebuano.
Ang linaw pero aglin ka. Tos. Lot.
Amigo, hermano. May hermano.
Isa-isa lang.
Lat. Bagyo. Manad ka kom. Oh.
General. May gabi Pwede na ako mabalan yung grupo.
Tek taman.
Itagalog mo agad ah.
Sa te. Paano ba yan? Ay! Wag, naglalating ka na. Wag, please. Wag. Ano ba yan?
What happened? What happened?
Gulat ako, inawakan mo ko.
It's a Latin. It's a dark prayer.
Ha?
What was said so the people can see, so the camera can see? What was said?
Ano ba sinabi niyo?
Naglalatin na siya. Alam ko.
Explain.
Ay, sandali lang I'm gonna explain.
Guys, let's talk to the camera so we can tell
One by one,
people have just seen something.
Okay. Sa grupo namin dati, spiritual, may kakayahan na makaintindi, may alam ako sa panggagamot.
Kaya ga,
Oo, nagulat lang ako.
May binibigkas si Aga na prayer ng Latin, pero hindi siya into light, into dark. So kaya pinigilan ko na. Kasi
bigla yun ang ganun.
nasa hole na si Aga ng papunta na doon sa malalim na Latin. Which is,
Eh, di ba may dark rituals daw dito?
it's a prayer sa mga cult na ginagamit, dark prayer. So, pag hindi na control ni Aga yun, so maaring mag-tendency, masisiraan ng bait si Aga or mababalik.
And what's interesting is when we were downstairs in the cellar, I mentioned the fact that there's just something not right here. There's something not right here. The energies levels have changed quite significantly. There's just something as yet I can't figure out, I can't sense or
Is it
feel
gonna be dangerous
what
for
it
us?
is. I have no idea. It's just not right.
He is spiritual, so he knows. He said that I was saying something Latin about
You can tell by
dark.
his reaction.
What you said, like dark.
Yes. Were there ever any dark arts, any rituals here?
It might take over or something.
Okay.
Gagamitin yung spirit box para magsabi ako ng chant. What the fuck?
Kaya pala,
Ano si... Talagang, hindi ko kasi alam kung ano sinasabi.
Pinapasunod pa siya, pinapasunod.
Ang intro nun is, halika, kukunin namin yung anong...
Oh, fuck, man. Ayoko yan.
Kaya, di ba, pinigilan na kita.
Buti na ano mo, no?
I don't like that, brother.
Buti naintindihan mo.
Buti na nandiyan ka.
So what we'll do now is we will go downstairs and then continue with the seances
Ito talaga
downstairs.
si Aga.
Remember earlier,
Buti na ano mo.
gusto mo, teka lang, gusto mo switch?
Sorry.
Hindi pa malinaw eh.
okay? Remember earlier we were talking about maybe dark spirits, dark arts.
Yeah.
Remember we said that downstairs? They're saying don't go up there, which means that being paranormal investigators,
We must go up there.
we have to go up. Let's hope we're not going into too much danger. Looks like it's followed us up, but we have
crazy.
our protector, physical and spiritual,
Legit,
this
wala kasi ako
evening,
alam sa ganun eh.
who was able to cut it short. That means
brother,
that they were not successful.
Dahil medyo magulo pa rin ang mga pangyayari at dahil wala akong maintindihan pa sa Latin, ay nagsuggest si Agatep na ulitin ang Estes method. Pero si Japs naman ang gagawa.
Can we like switch because he's more knowledgeable, sorry.
Okay, so would you be happy to do that?
Yes, of
Yeah. Would the viewers be happy
pero-
to do that?
Paano kung siya naman?
Hindi ko alam yung mga Latin na mga ganun. Baka
Hindi.
sa'yo gawin.
Mas,
Hindi,
ano
mas
niya,
kontrolado. Kaya ko yung
Kasab,
ano, sa
siguro po
spiritual
malaman.
realm.
Para lang mas malinaw.
Kasi kapag hindi mo kaya yung i-balance yung spiritual realm tsaka reality realm.
Absolutely.
As in yun yung sinabi ko yung chant.
Oo.
Chant.
Alam mo rin ba yun?
Oo, opening prayer. Alam ko yun.
Opening na
Explain
agad
ko
eh.
sa'yo mamaya.
Malinaw? Malinaw yung sinabi ko?
Malinaw ka.
Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano sinasabi ko eh.
Ano eh.
Hindi siya pwedeng bigkasin. Mamaya, papaliwanag ko. Hindi kasi pwede mag-chant.
Oo.
Sorry, go brother.
I will need to be told each step of the way as to what's happening,
Yeah,
otherwise
sorry,
I
brother.
can't go ahead.
Sorry.
You have to make
Go.
sure now that you're safe
Yeah.
and that we're all safe. So
Yes.
you have to tell me every single
Yes.
word.
Yeah.
So we
Okay,
can
brother.
make sure it continues to be
Explain.
safe.
I'll explain. So, what I was saying earlier, brother, are the start of a very dangerous chant.
Okay.
And I was saying it without me even realizing it was, I was
Yeah.
just,
Yeah, and you could see that. So what happened was Japs was able to stop that before it went any further. So it has no effect. We
Okay.
are God-fearing, good people. We all believe in Jesus Christ.
Mhm.
He is stronger and
Yes.
much more powerful than any negative words, prayers, songs. We have the power, and we'll prove that now because we're going to continue because we believe in the power of God.
you
And
think we should continue, brother?
Yeah, absolutely.
Ano?
What we show them is that we have the power.
Yeah.
We have the belief.
Yes, I know. Yes. I believe in God.
Dito ay nagdadalawang isip na ang grupo kung itutuloy pa o hindi ang investigation dahil delikado na nga siya at nasa malayong lugar kami.
Let's hold this. The lead investigator has the power to say yes or no.
Ano?
If
I
you
think-
don't want
Would you
it
like
to
to
happen,
switch?
you say no and
Thank
we
you,
go
sir.
down.
Okay, let's continue.
Oh, palit muna kayo.
Okay.
Ano bago ka mag-react na nakakatakot kasi natatakot din ako eh. I-straight mo muna ng Tagalog tsaka Bisaya.
Tagalog mo naman.
I-ganon mo na lang yung mata mo ng ano. Kasi kailangan wala ka nakikita eh.
Kahit
And
pumikit
I
ako?
want the translation
pumikit
as well.
ako?
Kita mo pa rin yung may
I
ano ka
need
pa rin
the
na.
Yeah, okay.
Ah,
Okay,
ganun
brother.
lang, boss.
Tapos
Okay lang,
tutukan
Joy.
mo na
Nasa
relax
dulo ka.
muna yung sense mo. Teka lang dito.
At dito sisimulan na dapat namin ulit ang Estes method. Kaso,
Yo, paano to?
Pwede bang bumaba na?
mag-isa?
Gagi na gano'n ka eh.
Kailangan mo yung translate.
Nag-start ka eh. Kailangan mo mag-translate eh.
I need the translation, guys. And I'm
Yes.
not saying it.
Okay.
Crouch ka, crouch.
Pwede bang upo na lang ako?
Pwede ka naman
Sakit
umupo.
yung
Basa,
tuhod ko.
basa.
Dito lang.
Ito hindi basa.
Kaya nga.
Okay, ito.
It's actually probably safer like this. Because if you have the same reaction, like that, and it goes in that direction,
Ano ka?
go over.
Yeah.
Kaya na, game na to.
RJ,
Jay! Paano namin maintindihan to?
wala kaming translator, Jay. Pahinga ka muna. Okay.
Bakit may isa? Tol, kasi tropa mo isa.
Nahihirapan lang huminga si Master Gala sa mga oras na to, kaya napagdesisyonan niya niyang umalis sa investigation. Okay guys, kasi si Master Gala ay not feeling well na bumaba muna siya. He said he wants a breather. Kaya ang gagawin na lang, walang tayong translator. Kung naintindihan mo na Bisaya yon, sabihin mo Bisaya ganyan, tapos Tagalogin mo rin. Para alam rin namin, maintindihan namin.
If Japs gets up and moves quickly, stop him.
Yes.
Okay? Even if you have to drop down and take his legs away from him.
Okay, nakabahan din ako sa'yo bro eh.
You understand? Yeah? If you
Pero
get up
di ka naman
and do what you did, I know you had control, and that was fine. But if something happens and you get up and you start moving, yeah, we stop him. And if he continues to move, we take him down.
Okay.
Okay?
At all cost.
Yeah, he goes.
Pag alam mo na medyo masama na yung sinasabi mo,
Ano
huwag mo
maganda
ituloy.
pang-relief, kunwari medyo na ano ka, para sa'yo, pang-relief, ano ba maganda pang-relief?
Di, tapikin mo lang ako.
We have the Guardian, Archangel, and Mama Mary with us.
And that's a brilliant timing to say that, because once again, I will ask for the protection.
Dito ay ginawan muna kami ni Brother Ramon ng protection prayer para masigurado ang kaligtasan namin. Okay, let's go. Ready na? Bubuksan ko na. 1, 2, 3. At dito ay hindi kami lahat handa sa mga susunod na mangyayari. Panoorin mabuti. Thank you, Spirit. Sino kasama namin ngayon? Hello?
I heard someone talking.
And there's nobody there.
Nobody.
Sino kasama namin ngayon?
Ginsa mo,
Unsa mo?
sino kayo?
Ako po si Joshua.
Aga, Ramon, Rick.
Just had someone squeezing the back of the neck.
Gaampo mo. Nagdadasal kami ngayong gabi.
Magdadasal kayo ngayong gabi?
Dili mi kalaban.
Hindi kayo kalaban.
Hindi namin kayo kalaban.
Hindi po, ano kami? Hindi kami mananakop.
Ako ang
Sino ka? Sino po kayo?
sa may gusto ninyong mabalaan sa gikan sa amua. Ano ba ang gusto niyo malaman?
Oh, what do you want to know?
What do you want to know?
Is the general here?
Andito ba ang General? General Mancado?
Ayaw mo kasalig sa amua. Ayaw kayo mo pagsalig sa amua. Kaya delikado mi. Huwag kayo magtiwala kaagad sa grupo namin.
Don't trust.
the group.
Don't trust our group. It's dangerous.
From the radio.
Yes.
Giputo lang ulo.
Because it doesn't speak that good.
Pinuto, may p***an kami ng ulo dito.
It's a monologue. He's speaking continuous. The radio doesn't do that.
Yeah.
It gives one or two words.
Ayaw mo panganad. Huwag kayo mamihasang magtanong.
Oh no. Don't get too greedy asking questions.
Yeah, and that's an acceptable answer. Yeah, and we
Kung
do-
kung gusto ninyo may balaan kung unsa mi ang among grupo, makabalo mo kung unsa mi. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung ano yung grupo namin, anong sinasamba namin,
Oh my God.
sumali kayo sa aming paksa.
Oh my God, brother, no. No, brother.
It's like recruiting us to join.
Yes, their group.
Well, you're going to fail.
Andam naming muampo.
Of
Nakahanda na ba kayo magdasal
Christ.
para sa
We
amin?
have his protection.
Stop,
Mama
stop.
Mary,
Brother, I'm gonna-
Mama Mary and Archangel Michael. They are more powerful than you. And to prove that,
Dili mi andam, mudawat sa inyo ha.
Hindi kami
stop
natatakot
this
parang.
now. Look at me.
No, stop it.
That way. How do you feel? Look at me. Look at me. How do you feel? Look at me. I want to see your eyes. Okay.
Tingin ka daw, ano, Japs?
Okay.
Tingin ka lang.
Stand up. Stand up.
Brother, I'm not comfortable anymore.
Oo.
I'm not comfortable.
Pack up.
Hold that. Hold my hands. Squeeze. Walk with me. Walk with me. Walk with me. What I'm doing is I'm taking control.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Walk with me. Okay. Telling you, Spirit, now to move away from all of us here. You are not welcome. We have the power of God and the power of prayer. And prayer will always defeat you. So stand back. You are no longer welcome here. Leave this place now. Okay?
Ayoko na.
Come here. Come here. Hold me. Hold me. What I'm doing is I'm giving him my positive energy.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. In your mind, do what you do. Tell him to fuck off. In your mind, tell him to step back, to leave you. Tell him to step back. Move away. Move away. Guys, I want you to recite in your mind the Lord's Prayer. All of you.
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Our Father,
who art in
Heaven. Hindi namin alam kung ano nakasalamuhan namin ngayong gabi, kaya naalarma na talaga kami. Pero matapos banggitin ang prayer, ay biglang nagiba ang amoy sa paligid.
Smells like candle, brother.
They count.
Smells
I see.
like candle.
I see.
Yeah.
Yes, brother, it smells like candle. Why?
Because we're in a supernatural spiritual environment.
No, we just pray.
Yeah.
No more.
No, I can smell. Yeah, I can.
Baho.
Oh my God, why?
Yes, but brother, let's go.
Kandila.
Okay, guys, so let's pack up and go.
Yes, brother,
Okay.
I'm not comfortable anymore. One question lang. At nung tinanong ko si Japs kung ano ang nararamdaman niya, ay kinilabutan ako sa sagot niya. Ba't ang bilis ng salita mo? Mabilis talaga pag
Come on, guys, let's go. Let's not hang
Ito
about.
nakita ko.
We don't need to be here.
Labutan
Wait
ako.
lang. Sorry, brother, one last.
Habang nagsasalita ako, ang dami na nakapalibot sa akin. Tapos sila lahat.
Okay, guys,
Kasi
let's have
parang-
this conversation downstairs. We
Okay.
don't need to have it here.
Okay.
Let's remove ourselves from the location.
Mapapansin nyo rin na mas alerto ngayon ang aming psychic medium na ngayon lang namin siya nakitang ganito. At nung paglabas namin sa mansyon, ay agad siyang gumawa ng dasal. At pakiramdam ko ay para hindi kami sundan ng mga nakasalamuhan namin sa lugar na yon.
Friend ko yun si Ramon. Ganyan.
Sa mga oras na to ay nagmadali kaming umalis sa lugar kasi hindi na panatag ang pakiramdam namin. Kaso nung paalis na kami ay may kumausap kay Master Gala na gustong magpa-interview ng biglaan. Ngayon nung paalis kami, sinabi na merong member daw na gusto magpa-interview.
Ayaw namin.
What the f***? Ngayon paalis tayo.
Ayaw ka na. Alis tayo. Kinikilabutan ako. Bilisan na.
Safety alert tayo, pray tayo na lang.
Wala na.
Oo. Ayoko na. Hindi na namin pinansin at agad kaming umalis at nung medyo nakalayo na kami ay pinaliwanag ni Japs ang saloobin niya at ang ibig sabihin ng mga nangyari.
Boss, ganito boss. Di ba ako yung nauna kanina doon sa may katabing bahay ng mansion? Di ba? May kinausap akong matandang babae. Tapos sabi ko, magandang hapon po. Pwede po ba kayo ma-interview mamaya? Sabi niya, wag na yun. Gusto ko gabi. Gusto silang gabi magpa-interview kasi gabi nila ginagawa yung ritual.
At nagkataon pa na nakakita si Agatep ng puting babae sa daan habang nagmamaneho.
Naiyak si Agat. Naiyak ba? May nakita akong babae dun sa gilid kanina. Pagka-open mo ng camera. Ako na dito ba? Gusto ko lang muli.
At nung medyo nakalayo na kami at medyo nakahinga-hinga, ay humingi kami ng tulong at paliwanag kay Brother Ramon sa mga pangyayari sa investigation na to. Brother, can you explain what's happened? Because while Agatep was driving on the way dito sa Pagpagpagan, he saw a white lady, but no feet.
The explanation there is quite simple. The Earth has been around for over 4 billion years, yeah? And we live on different levels. So the person you saw on the road, when they put a road down, it raises the height of the area, the road. So this spirit, if you only saw half her body, meant that she was on the ground that was there on the level before the road was built. So you would only see the top half.
Yes, I saw her face.
Yeah.
I saw the face.
And that is quite a normal reaction or vision from somebody who has the gift that you have. The whole team, we are gifted to be able to help and communicate with lost souls.
But do you think that's the same girl that we saw in the house, or is a different one?
And she's different.
Oh, different girl.
It's definitely a different girl. Because that girl you saw on the road, I can almost be sure that many other people have seen the same girl. It was like they didn't want me to go up the stairs. My legs were very weak. I had to help our brother here to help me go up the stairs. I got up the stairs on my knees. That's when I was able to explain her story.
Which was fulfilling.
Which was so pleasing for me. And once I gave the story, I was okay. I was fine. And my whole attitude changed, and I felt like I've really come here for a reason. Coming there tonight or going there tonight was for that reason.
So one last thing, brother, before we end, because before we went out, we were panicking, and it's the first time we saw you like say that let's leave.
Yes,
Because I think you're sensing something already.
absolutely, because in life we often carry on with something that we shouldn't, that we should have stopped. With the supernatural, with the spiritual, with what we do, if something reaches a stage where I feel uncomfortable for you guys, it stops. But you're the lead investigator, so I'll always ask whether you
I
think
said
that's okay.
stop as well. So when we were about to leave, Brother Ramon was not inside the car, outside the car, like saying protection prayers when we were leaving.
Na-notice ko kanina, habang nag-aano kayo dun sa may spirit box, may narinig ako, parang naaasar yung mga bata. Sabi ko, ba't ako ganun yun? Hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi ng mga bata.
Pumunta kami ni Hubert dun. Walang bata.
To certain places, so they knew the distance, so they could fire their weapons in an area so that you have control of everything beyond you, which obviously again means that we'll go up there.
Yeah.
Saka boss, ngayon ko lang i-reveal boss ha. Habang nandun ako sa realm nila boss, hindi pala mga totoong bata yung mga ano natin nakita kanina. Di ba nakadapa sila lahat?
Oh.
Napansin nyo mga bata. Habang pinapanood tayo, nakadapa sila.
Di ba nandun lang sila sa may paligid nun?
Hindi nyo napansin, lahat sila bigla nawala, yung grupo nila.
Oo nga!
Na-videohan yung mga bata. Ang creepy nun. Pag nireview natin yung footage.
Okay guys, sorry, nasingit ko lang kasi nung pinanood namin yung footage ay nakakapagtaka na wala kami nakitang bata. Ngayon, from the time na nag-scout kami nung place, nag-b-roll si Rick, nag-drone shot, ay may mga bata nakapalibot sa amin. Nag-iingay na magkukulit. Maraming bata, ilan may mga 7, 8?
Hindi, more
Di
than.
lang, more than.
Siguro mga ano sila, 10 to 15 yun.
Mga 10 to 15 na bata, tsaka nagkukulit-kulit sila. At ang pinagtataka ko, hindi ko alam kung may mga bata talaga doon, yung mga anak ng mga pamilyang nakatira doon, or something else. Pero kasi based dun sa mga na-realize nila Japs, ng mga taong nasa paligid namin, ay medyo parang magdadalawang isip ka.
Kasi di ba nung pumunta kayo dun sa mismong Moncado, naiwan ako, tapos nag-drone shot ako. Ang alam ko, nung naglalakad kayo dun sa pathway ng bahay, may mga nakasunod sa inyong bata sa harap tsaka sa
Alam ko
likod.
rin meron eh.
Tapos nung nag-shoot ako ng B-rolls nung umaga, nung lumapit na ako dun sa mismong bahay ng Moncado, nakasunod sa akin yung mga bata, tapos pinapatabi ko. Ang pagkakatanda ko, mayroong bata sa likod ko. Pero may isa akong video na pag-ikot ng camera, walang bata sa likod ko.
Hapon pa nun.
Parang
Hapon
never
pa nun.
sila nahagip ng camera.
Yun.
Kahit around sila.
Ngayon, again, pwede naman talaga may mga bata doon or pwedeng something else. Yun lang yung na-experience namin.
Bago natin reviewin, di ba binibiro kita na ano pag wala ka nahagip?
Oo.
Sabi niya, di yan, meron yan kasi ang daming bata doon eh.
So, shoot,
Ngayon, dinoble check, triple check namin yung review. Wala talaga nahagip.
100% pa ako, di ba meron?
Kasi may mga kanya-kanyang theories na nangyari. Hindi namin na-consult pa si Brother Ramon dito, pero as far as we know, possible na meron o possible na wala. Sinasabi lang namin yung na-experience namin. Disclaimer guys, yung na-experience rin namin, which is yung talagang kinilabutan kami doon sa taas. Wala kaming nothing against sa mga religions or anything ng Moncadistas. Kasi hindi rin naman namin alam kung ano yung nakasalamuhan namin nung gabing yun. Hindi rin namin alam kung ano ba sila o sino sila. Wala kaming idea kung sino pa yung mga yun. Basta alam ko lang, yun yung nangyari nung gabing yun at yun yung na-experience namin. Isa sa mga pinaka nakakabahalang investigation na nagawa namin at huli na namin natuklasan na may mga kwentong kulto or dark arts sa lugar na yon. Masaya lang kami na ligtas kami lahat at may kasamang psychic medium. Bago kami umalis ay nagdasal ulit kami at tuluyan ng isinara ang paranormal investigation na siguradong hinding-hindi namin makakalimutan. At huwag kayo bibitaw dahil ang susunod na vlog natin ay isa pa sa pinakamalalang investigation na naganap sa Davao.
Go! Ayoko na go!